How is remote sensing used for bird mapping and spatial analysis? Have you ever wondered how scientists can track birds and understand their habitats without getting too close? Remote sensing is the answer. This method collects information about the Earth's surface from a distance, using satellites or aircraft. It is a powerful tool for bird mapping and spatial analysis. Remote sensing allows researchers to observe vast areas and gather data on bird habitats and movements without disturbing the birds. This is especially important because many birds are sensitive to human presence. By capturing images and data about vegetation and environmental conditions, scientists can identify and map bird habitats effectively. Birds relying on specific habitat structures for nesting, feeding, and migration. For example, sensors like light detection and ranging and radar can measure forest structure, including tree height and density. These factors influence which bird species are likely to be present in a given area. Different sensors provide complementary information. Light detection and ranging excels at detailing vertical forest structure, while radar can detect canopy density and biomass. By combining data from multiple remote sensing sources, researchers create accurate maps showing where various bird species are likely to be found. This multi-sensor approach improves predictions of bird prevalence by capturing different habitat characteristics that affect bird distribution. For instance, radar data may be more effective in low biomass forests, while light detection and ranging data might be more informative in mature, dense forests. Remote sensing also plays a significant role in tracking bird movements, especially migratory species. Lightweight tracking devices attached to birds transmit location data. This data can be combined with satellite imagery to map migration routes and stopover sites. Understanding how birds use landscapes over time helps scientists see how changes in habitat affect their behavior. Moreover, satellite images enable researchers to monitor environmental changes like deforestation or climate shifts. Since birds are sensitive to these changes, remote sensing data can inform conservation efforts by identifying critical areas that need protection or restoration. For example, changes in vegetation detected via satellite can signal habitat loss that might threaten certain bird populations. In spatial analysis, remote sensing data is used to model habitat suitability for different bird species. By integrating movement data from tracked birds with environmental variables derived from satellite images, researchers can predict where birds are most likely to thrive. This modeling aids in understanding spatial drivers of bird diversity and distribution, which is essential for effective conservation planning. In summary, remote sensing contributes to bird mapping and spatial analysis by providing detailed data on habitat structure and composition across large landscapes. It enables accurate mapping of bird prevalence by combining multiple sensor data. It tracks bird movements and migration routes through satellite-linked devices. It monitors environmental changes that impact bird habitats. It also supports habitat suitability modeling to predict bird distribution patterns. This technology allows researchers to observe birds and their habitats from afar, helping to protect the places they rely on without direct interference.